OFM Sport.
Picked it hard luck. It was a derby. We expected it to go down to the wire. Physical contest. But that first half, do you feel that you guys maybe fell a bit short in that first half?
Definitely. What we expected happened, and that was that they will come out with highly desperate, highly motivated, with a lot of emotion because of what is on the game, and we didn't handle that. From the first kickoff when we lost the ball in contact, I think for 28 minutes we weren't in the game, and it's simple. They were just more desperate than us. I think they had more to play for than us, and that showed. And that's the learnings. I always say to the players, if one team pitches up 100% ready and another team pitches up 95% ready, then doesn't matter whether you're a better team or not. Chances are very high that you're going to lose the game, and that happened tonight. And I think that showed the bad side of us. But if you look at 22-5, 22-7 just before half time, and then being in a position to win the game in the end, I think that showed how good we are as well. That showed the quality of this group, that we didn't stop fighting. It's just a kick. What's the difference between a win and a loss? So I'm proud of that second half effort because we outplayed them in that second half. The try they scored was a bad kickoff we dropped, but yeah, we've got to learn from that first 30 minutes.
Just that try that you mentioned now, was that a forward pass in the end goal area, or did they say it was carried back?
No, he touched the ball.
Oh, okay.
He touched the ball, so it was carried back. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. No, correct decision.
Okay. But there's always positives in the game like this, especially before the playoffs. But also the risks involved, and we saw that now with Gustav. And how bad is that?
Yeah, that looks bad. I think he'll be out for 9 to 12 months. That's a serious injury. There's something fundamentally wrong in rugby that we need to look at. The guy who makes an illegal tackle, he gets 10 minutes. The other guy gets 9 months. And that's tough. That's the game. It was a dangerous tackle. I know he didn't mean it. I know Zander well. It's tough. I think I know he feels bad as well. But I mean that's the sport. Guys out for 9 months. The other guy only sat out for 10 minutes. It's crazy. But yeah, that's the risk. We can't worry about injuries when we get to team selection. We wanted to have momentum. I think in the second half, this is exactly what we want. We've got a lot of momentum in that second half. We can take into next week. We can get injuries in training. We can get injuries. So whether it was the best choice, best idea to play our best team, I mean, we'll never know. We could have got injuries if we played other players as well.